Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey y'all. So today I'm going out. Me and my mama, we're going out. We're going to look for this trench coat that I want. What do you say, mommy? I don't know what she said. Today my morning started off rough. I was supposed to go to like this webinar. Couldn't get into the webinar. Called around. Called like the appropriate people. Couldn't get in contact with them. It's a whole lot of. It's so hard getting in contact with people. It's like people just don't answer the phone, don't answer emails. It's just a mess. But anyway, when in doubt, shop it out. So me and my mom are gonna go out and go shopping as usual. Always. That's exactly why my room looks like a hoarder's den, because I just have piles and piles of new clothes. Thrifted clothes, new clothes, orders from online. Like, I'm just always shopping, me and her. Like, that's one thing me and her are gonna do is shop, especially when stressed out. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. I feel like I never start my vlogs off by like saying anything. It's just bam, here y'all go. So I wanted to do a little intro before things get a little chaotic potentially. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. It's a little warm. This is the fit of the day. I got a little tank top, some shorts, and then got some gladiators on. So yeah, that's my little OOTD. But yeah, so we're about to head out. Let's go. I'm currently in Walmart. I'm looking for a trench coat. They have the Devil Wears Prada. They have that collection in here. But I'm looking for my trench coat.
Oh, these are $3.
Oh, those are cute.
This is a little cute, you think? A little bit something.
I'm catching the chills in here.
They got my thing over there, my size.
I didn't look. Let me see. Hold on. Huh? It's a large, extra large. I was looking for them. Yes. That's the last size. That's the last extra large in here. We have so far found jeans. My mother is. Hold on. Let me see. My mom is in here looking at jeans.
Oh, they didn't have an extra
No.
large?
You lucky you got that. Alright, I'm about to look down here because I'm looking for a trench coat. And my mother has found jeans, and that's a beautiful thing, but I came here for a trench coat. These are cute tops. Why these all look so little? How much are these? $5? Okay, these are some nice black tops. They don't have my size. Yeah, mama. These are supposed to be $1. So let's see. I'm about to go see right now. These are $1 for real. Ma, I'm talking about sorry. I'm just in my own world. Man, I ain't paying you no mind. Where's my mama? This don't make no darn sense. Alright. At this point, my mother, there she go. Ma! Girl, I'm looking for you. I done walked all around this store. These supposed to be $1. In the shorts section where I thought you was. I gotta, yeah, they supposed to be $1. They say it.
No, they is.
Let's see. So I didn't see anything. Hold on. Look at me, y'all. Cutie, right? Alright. I didn't find my trench coat in Walmart. Sorry, mommy. I didn't find my trench coat in Walmart. Now I'm in Ross. Looking for whatever. Mommy, look, did you see these? They're cute. These are in style.
Oh, those look cute. How much are they?
$12.99. How much
What
is
size are they?
Look for them in your size. Did you look for them in your size? Ow, I got my finger stuck in there. Look, they have these. I hope they have these in my size. Look, these are cute. Speed cat. No, those are ugly, Mom. What is this, an 8 in women? What type of 8 is this? Look at these. These are cute, but they look so big. Okay. They look so big. I'm sorry. My God. Oh, these are cute. Y'all know I love makeup bags. This is cute. Oh, they have all of the cute misters. I'm just playing in these people's stuff. All right, so let me see. I'm in the makeup section. Damn, everything I touch is just falling. Hold on. Okay. Hey, listen. Everything just falling on me. Purses. These stores ain't hitting on nothing. The stores ain't hitting on nothing. This is trash. We should have known better. It was nothing in here. Nothing that I wanted. All right, let's go. We're going to the liquor store. Alright, that was the interview. Alright, we're back in the car.
On a mission!
Where are we going now? Y'all bye. Hold on. I'll call you back. I'm in Aldi's. My mom got scallions. Or green onions, I think they call. She calls them scallions. I'm sleepy. Damn. Milk is $4.34. Oh my God. Milk is $4.34. This economy is in shambles. This is it. Everybody's over here. $5.50. Where's 402? Oh no, that's 402. Yeah, everybody came over here and cleaned this section out. They cleaned the sections out.
Yeah, take them back.
You don't want them?
I'm gonna get a finger pack of other stuff.
Okay. What is bologna? Deli meat. Okay. It comes in a circle pack, right?
Yep, here you go. There's only one. Get down.
Oh, I knew I wasn't bugging. All right.
Damn, that shit's not. Oh yeah, stop it. It's cheap. I gotta go there. They're charging.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Hi, sir. How are you?
Everybody they got donuts. So shit you got.
I'm now in another Walmart. Let's see.
Where's the damn thing at?
I gotta walk over.
But I know that for a fact. Those are the ones you just got. That ain't it. Let's see. That is definitely them.
Damn. These are $3. They do not have anything that I was looking for. Now, did I find some cute clearance items? Yes. But did I come in here for that? No. Now, this is a really cute bathing suit. This is cutie. I'll just be in my own little world. These bathing suits are so cute. My boobs is too big. The bottoms, yes. The tops, immediately no. Could never. My boobs are just too big. All right. We're in another grocery store. My mother's looking for some type of wings or some type of chicken. I don't eat meat. So, I don't know, but my mother is looking for some type of wings. I'm looking for somebody. I'm going to the front of the store because I need to find a service representative or a butcher. Hi, is there anybody that can come to the meat department, like a butcher or something? Yes. Okay, thank you.
Customer assistant needed in the meat department. Customer assistant needed in the meat department.
Call them people up, baby. Call them people. All right, now let me go back to the meat department with my mom. My mom is probably back there cursing a storm. Where the fuck they at? Where the people at? She's probably going off. Let me see. I could be wrong. Look at her hands crossed, everything.
What happened?
Look at you. She said they come in. I just was talking about you. I said she probably back there pissed off. I said she gonna be back there hot. She is hot. She want her wings bad.
It ain't wings, it's thighs, and they supposed to be 99 cents. And that mean they ain't do shit, because it's the same way the shit was yesterday.
This store low-key look like a ghost town. I don't know. My mom is pissed right now. She's pissed. Mom is pissed right now. She's pissed. Oh, he look like he's shopping. He don't work in me. That's what they call. You ain't hear them calling on the loudspeaker?
Yeah. And I'm standing back here waiting.
I was just talking about this earlier. It's so hard to get in contact with somebody on the phone. It's just hard to find people. Like, even when you're in store, where are the people? Hi, I'm here. I have a question. There's no butcher. Do you know anybody that works in the meat department? Because my mom wants thighs, the 99 cents per pound thighs. They call somebody on the loudspeaker, but nobody has yet to come. Do you know?
Let me find out for you.
Okay, thank you. Ma, did somebody come? No.
Good afternoon. I'm associate to the meat department.
They didn't have her meat, and I had to go to seafood and get the lady from seafood, but hey, it is what it is. That's it, that's all, y'all. Now we're in ice cream. Okay.
I'm gonna get me some ice cream from somewhere else.
All right, no problem. I'm walking to go. Oh, this looks so nice outside. I'm walking to go inside my local library because I need to print something. I need to print something for my dad. So they might say something if they see this camera, especially with this bright pink case I got on. They might be like, ma'am. They barely want you to have phones in here, so I don't know. I hope this don't fall in. Logan as guest. My camera's about to die again. This battery life is trash. I charged it before I left the house. And my camera's falling. I need to get a new tripod. Got the document.